Welcome back to the Automotive channel.
Three years back in the pages of the Financial Times, Rolls-Royce declared to the world that it would make an all-new, high-bodied car that would rethink extravagance go by making it effortless, everywhere. Since that day the world has paused, reckoning the landing of this form-breaking new Rolls-Royce. Today, the hold-up is relatively finished as Rolls-Royce affirms that its new engine car will be called Cullinan. The name Cullinan has been covering up on display since we uncovered it as the task name a few years prior, remarks Torsten Müller-Ötvös, Chief Executive Officer of Rolls-Royce. It is the most fitting name for our remarkable new item. Cullinan is a motor car of such lucidity of reason, such perfect quality and value, and such nearness that it recalibrates the scale and probability of genuine extravagance. Much the same as the Cullinan Diamond, the biggest faultless jewel at any point discovered, it rises when it is flawless and exists most importantly others. The tale of how this new Rolls-Royce came to be named Cullinan is itself one of the quest for flawlessness. Like the precious stone, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan has attempted an entrancing voyage. From the burning deserts of Africa and the Middle East to the solidifying snows of the Arctic Circle, from the verdant glens of the Scottish Highlands to the transcending gulches of North America, the originators, engineers, craftspeople and craftsmen of the House of Rolls-Royce have formed, tried and cleaned this novel engine auto to kill any blemish and make it effortless, everywhere. We were roused by the epic procedures, over numerous centuries, which went into the formation of the Cullinan Diamond. The name exemplifies the numerous aspects of our new motor car's guarantee. It talks about perseverance and outright robustness notwithstanding the best weights. It recounts irregularity and value, and it implies the spearheading, courageous soul of the Honorable Charles Rolls and the building advancement of Sir Henry Royce, and, obviously, it talks about supreme extravagance, wherever you wander on the planet. Proceeded with Müller-Ötvös. Cullinan is the second Rolls-Royce to sit on the organization's as of late reported all-new exclusive aluminum space frame design of luxury. Extraordinary and unequaled in its brightness, each feature of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan sparkles. Müller-Ötvös closes, just, the name Cullinan is flawless and splendid.